Hello, welcome to my first video ever. Today I'm going to show you some super cute, super quick DIY farmhouse decor pieces that I made using items I found at my local Dollar Tree. These 3 items literally took me minutes out of my day to complete, and I think that they turned out quite nice, and you can make them too. So the items that you'll need for your first project are a hot glue gun, some nautical rope from Dollar Tree, a cylinder vase, and some super cute flowers that I found at Dollar Tree. I ended up using some maple leaves, some Gerber daisies, some really cute sunflowers, and these flowers called mini flowers with grass. So to start, I took the nautical rope out of its packaging and removed the label from the cylinder vase. So I started at the base of the vase and hot glued the nautical rope around the vase until it ran out. I apologize in advance for not being centered in the screen. When I started this project, I thought I was in the picture, and then I started to focus on my project, and I realized that I was drifting off the screen. Sorry. Don't worry, the entire shot is not like this, so I'm going to go ahead and cut on over to the area where I fix myself and go back to the center of the screen. Okay, so now I'm back centered, and I'm just taking my time, going little bits at a time so that the glue doesn't dry and so that my rope is aligned properly. I'll go ahead and speed up the process so we don't drag this along. Okay, so I finally get to the end. I cut off the rope where I wanted it to line up, and then I glued the end of the rope to the vase. I then added a little bit of extra glue to the ends to ensure that the rope wouldn't unravel. You'll also notice that I chose to cut the rope so that both ends would be in the back of the vase. Lastly, I grabbed a bunch of flowers that I chose and I just played around with them a little bit to see how I like the arrangement. I didn't end up using all of the flowers, I just kind of took them apart and I tried to figure out what looked best. Please don't mind the moss. I thought of maybe putting that into the vase, like the base of the vase, and then I played around with the arrangement a little more and I removed some of the flowers and I ended up loving it. And this was the final display. I think it turned out really cute and it looked great in my living room. Okay, on to project number 2. It is so simple. All you need is a silver serving tray. Ah, and there's me. Hello. Awkward. So like I said, you need a silver serving platter. And then you just need one of the Be Grateful wall decals. And some white Rust-Oleum paint. You can use any type of paint, however, I prefer Rust-Oleum brand. So I started by taking the platter to my backyard and I spray painted it white. I let the tray dry out in the sun for about 30 minutes. It was a pretty hot day though, so it dried fairly quickly. Next, I took the wall decal and positioned the stickers on the platter. I started with the large Grateful sticker first since it would be really noticeable if it were off-center. So after I got the wording all set, I added a couple of the leaf stickers. Ew, I am so sorry for that disgusting fly. I was doing this in my back patio room, and since it was kind of dark and I had the light on, the fly kind of just gravitated towards the light. So I thought the plate looked cute with just the decal, but I felt like it was lacking something. So I picked up a bag of the fall leaves from Dollar Tree and decided to add a little bit of color to the plate. They have these leaves every year and I feel like they're really good quality and they look really cute, so I always pick up a bag. So I just grabbed a few, kind of played around with it a little bit, and then I ended up hot gluing them where I wanted them to lay. As you can see, the small bit of color really gave that piece the extra little fall touch it needed. I think it came out really, really cute. Lastly, project number 3. All you need is a can of bronze Rust-Oleum metallic paint, a skinny vase from Dollar Tree, some electrical tape. I had this in my box, however you can buy this, I'm pretty sure I bought it at the Dollar Tree, and then some eucalyptus branches from Dollar Tree. These were absolutely adorable. So I started by taking my electrical tape and taping it off about a third of the way up the vase. So next I took it outside to spray paint it. Oh yes, and please first take off the tag. Thankfully, Dollar Tree tags are fairly easy to come off most of the time. And also, I didn't think before I sprayed, and I didn't think about the fact that I didn't cover the upper portion of the vase. So go ahead and grab some newspaper or a paper towel, a towel, anything you have really, and just cover the top portion of the vase to protect it. So once you've found something to cover it up in, you are free to spray away. Come spray away, come spray away, come spray away. I'm sorry. Anyway, spraying this thing literally took minutes and it was done. So again, just removing the electrical tape, and you'll see a few imperfections on the glass. I actually really like that it made those imperfections. I feel like it gives it a more character. Next, I just let it sit out and dry for a little bit. I think I left it for maybe an hour. After it dried, I just threw a couple of eucalyptus branches inside and voila! It was the perfect addition to my kitchen counter and I absolutely love it. Well, thank you so much for watching my first video. I hope you liked it. I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I will definitely be making more videos. I am a mom of 2 littles and I love to craft and clean and everything in between, so please let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like me to post, and please let me know in the comments below if I did a good job. Thanks, bye!